This is heavy snowfall at Sonamarg, Jammu Kashmir. It's a full traffic jam. We're here for a couple minutes, but then we decided to go because the snowfall was too heavy. Look at the road. It is full white because of snowfall which is currently going on. And I don't know how people are still out here and all that. You can see the snow on the cars and everything. And you can't see anything there because the snowfall is like a big fog. Turn on the wipers also because the snowfall was making it so hard. And still, people over there are making reels. People over there, right there, they are making reels right there. And yeah.
देखा मसला क्या
Everyone is very cold right here.
Make a vlog.
That's what I'm doing.
And go next time.
And Amma is also clicking photos there. I don't know how she could with her window open.
And it's snowfall everywhere and the temperature is around -7-degree temperature and we cannot get down because of strict instructions from our driver.
And
Lalji, he's a very good person. You can show him.
that is actually not true. Not true because the weather report says it's actually only 1 degree, but it feels like -1. Kaka, ninge ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ.
Show it from the rooftop. Show from
Papa, I have zoom on you only. You are the top culprit.
My son is sleeping and he is
and take it from outside. Take it from outside. Show. In a mobile.
Oh my god. So while we are speaking, as we speak, the jam is getting worse and worse. And then you can see snow everywhere. Literally everywhere you see right now, it's just snow except in this TT. And you just look by right there, by the driver's shoulder. It is very bad. And let me focus right there a bit. You see that? Yeah, that's what you want to see. All of these cars just struggling to go past. I don't know. And let me just switch cameras to myself. I honestly do not know how could it be so hard here. Literally, the snow is pouring like mad. Let's see if Anish has something to say.
Hello bro, it's very cold here. You can see outside.
Everybody is like freezing here. Everybody reckons right now that they'll turn to ice if they don't.
Please show the traffic here.
Yeah, let's show the traffic again as it's getting worse. See, all these cars are trying to overtake us. And then we just have, other than the cars, we just have people shouting at each other in Urdu.
Post parking. Now when you are near.
See, and it is so, the snowfall is so thick that you can barely see that if I only focus on it, but it's focusing on the, yeah, you can see that. See, yeah, you can barely see that tower there. I mean, literally, how do people And apparently somebody wants to have something. So they were talking. Look at that. Everybody is still outdoors. I think they've taken clothes to withstand minus 20 or 50 degrees. Minus 50. Well, I think that's impossible, but yeah. Apparently these guys want to buy something. They're negotiating a lot. And our driver is having an argument. Still, we have no idea what happens. It's still so far out that we cannot know at all if like any vehicle is stuck or so. And that is a lot. You can literally see people's faces here. Let me zoom on one person or something. You see that everybody's hair is like covered with snow. And then everybody's faces are almost red here. Yeah. And I don't know how that hotel is still going.